Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TOSCIDO X109 and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically in this device we've got only one way in which we can block a number, not two like in most other devices. So basically all we have to do here is to simply enter the dialer, and here it doesn't really matter if you will be in the contacts, recents or favorites. Just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, maybe not this one. That was a misclick, of course. The three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the settings. As you can see in this left section on the fifth position, we've got blocked numbers. So let's tap on it, and here we've got the section in which we can add a number. So just tap on it, tap here in this section, and as you can see right now we can freely enter the number. Let's tap on block if you are ready, and as you can see we've got the information that this particular number has been blocked successfully. What's more, here you've got the unknown option, and after activating it just by tapping on this switcher on the right, your device will block calls from all unidentified callers. So that's quite useful, I would say. Of course you can turn it off whenever you want just by tapping on this switcher. And if you'd like to unblock the number, again, nothing easier, just tap on this X button right next to the number you'd like to unblock and tap on unblock, and as you can see it simply disappeared. So actually this is it. This is how to block a number in your TOSCIDO X109. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.